Movie Bookie by Jeff Kanzy.
And that is what together with KORA we are all about, YOLA narrated. The whispering wind wheezed vami as if fighting the scorching sun, coughing rays at villagers' melanin, bearing with it a secret to rescue Kiri village in the rift from the loss of goats that they knew not of the cause. The wind left no leaf on the ground as they glided along, and tree branches were shaken like the fans cheering to a football match on the pitch. But none of the villagers gave the whispering wind their ears apart from YOLA. Under the mathenge tree in the baraza where the villagers had gathered, Kemu, the village elder, stood in front of the villagers and waved greetings. It seems a bad omen has fallen on this village. We need to get to the root of our barren land and goat's death, Kemu the village elder declared, frown-faced. Yes, indeed, the villagers responded, nodding their heads. Any suggestions? Kemu asked. One villager who had lost 3 goats that morning stood to talk. He cleared his throat. Ahem, I suggest. I can hear the wind whispering, we need to listen to it, KORA interrupted. The villagers considered the wind to be like any other that blows. Besides, we have witnessed worse winds before, Kemu taunted.
Stay tuned to part 2.